Hi guys, it's Mo Lady, and today I would love to just come into your space and just speak to you. So, um, in church we've been dealing with a topic called doctrine and life. That's our theme for the year, and I realize there's a topic I would like to address, especially when it comes to trading and business and all that. The concept of doctrine. So today, welcome to the YouTube channel. By the way, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and share the content. Leave a comment below. That helps the algorithm and all that. So now I come into your space and I bring this concept of doctrine. What is doctrine? So doctrine is just the principle by which you govern your life. Okay, so doctrine, you could have your personal doctrine and say, I don't believe in lying. So what that just means is that I mean how I'll live my life means the people. Okay, if I put a principle and say I don't believe in lying, it means how I'll live my life. It means the people I associate with also have to agree with such a doctrine. They don't believe in lying as well, because it means you can't say you don't believe in lying and then hang out with a lie. Okay. Then another thing, now bringing doctrine into play is this. Here's how it comes into play when we talk of business, when we talk of finances, when we talk about personal growth and your personal development. So now doctrine are these principles, they're unshakable principles, right? So our topic for discussion today is solely building a strong foundation. Now this could be business, this could be church, this could be your health. You need a strong doctrine written down, unshakable. You need to build a foundation. You need to build habits. You need to build rituals. You need to build something that you fall back to. That's going to be the outliner to show you. It's what's going to help you hold yourself accountable. Now, I say this because one thing I've noticed, one issue I want to address, this is a huge mistake that a lot of beginner traders make, right? So they start out trading, and then this is the normal method or mindset behind a beginner trader. So they'll fund an account, right? They fund an account. When they fund that account, that week they're on the charts every day, analyzing almost every pair, taking trades, and then they blow their account. So when they blow that account, what happens? That momentum they had to look at the charts, the zeal they had to constantly be on the charts, to analyze, to study the content and all that dies, and they stop. So they do that. They blow an account. It takes them 2-3 weeks or a few days. Again, they're not trading in that period. They're not studying. They're not practicing their craft. They've packed it. And then they come back 2-3 weeks later, a month later, however long it takes you to find cash. And you have to understand, when you're beginning, cash is not that easy to find, and trading requires you to have cash. So now, because you don't have a doctrine that guides you on how to be disciplined enough to show up on the charts and analyze, be disciplined enough to show up and study the content, be disciplined enough to evaluate yourself and find out if you're sticking to your disciplines and your rules. You fall off the moment you blow your account. You stop trading, and then you come back a month, 3 weeks later, and then you fund your account, and then you expect to make profit. But what that happens is actually you just programming yourself for failure. So when you do that, you are actually disadvantaging yourself, because in that 3 week period or 1 week period or whatever period that you spend off the chart, your efficiency, your ability to execute trades at like that goes low. And that now makes your trading skill go down. So it becomes harder for you to come back with momentum and make money. But rather, if you are to stick to your rules, just start the moment you find out. Try this one challenge. Find the $10, $50, $100. I would advise $100. Take the lowest trade setup and only risk nothing more than $3, $5 a trade. And then whenever you take 3 losing trades in a row, stop, pack it. Start asking yourself questions. What did I do wrong? Is this the right setup? Is this my confirmation? Is this my entry criteria? When you start setting up doctrines and principles like that to hold yourself accountable, you are setting yourself up for success. Now that's what it means to be a profitable trader. It doesn't mean that I have 3 weeks winning streak. I might have, I might not. I might have a losing streak, but it's the mindset and the discipline I have to approach the market in a particular way that makes me outperform the 99%. And that's what puts us in the 1% of traders who are able to consistently make a return. Okay, so That's one tip on doctrine and life. Make sure you build foundations that last. If you fund an account, make sure your account can last more than 3 months. Whether you make huge profits or small profits. Hi, so like I was saying, um, when you fund an account, make sure it lasts more than 3 months. That's the best way to evaluate you. So I think 3 months is enough time. If you can hold an account for 3 months, then you're doing good. So we'll discuss more on how to actually the steps to take to practice on your doctrine and your foundation. Otherwise, it's peace, love, and happiness from the Minister of Kwacham, our Pobulati, the financial doctor. Make sure to subscribe. More videos are coming through. So yeah, peace, love, and happiness.